Wouldn't you know it, I'll come out here to do something. I brought my other camera out. I brought my Nikon camera out. And it's starting to rain. And of course Max is sitting here bugging me. But I decided to go ahead and plant some beans. I'm going to do the top crop bush bean. It's a garden bean. It says it's great for early harvest. Days to harvest is 52. Green beans. It says the pods are meaty, slightly curved, and completely stringless. Compact bush plants produce early crops, about 5 to 6 inches long when fully grown. A top variety for canning. And it's a bush type bean. It doesn't grow on a vine. It's a bush. And I've got this row here. I had dug it before, and I told you how I'm going to be getting the Johnson grass out. Well, this row only has like a couple of little, grass spots popping up there. So I'm going to end up digging that out. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plant these beans in this row and go ahead and get them started. The ground is already wet. It's been rained on for a few days. So I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and put those in the ground. And this is, get Max, get. Yeah. These beans are a brown bean like that, as seeds, but you normally eat them when they're like this, like green beans. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these in the ground. Get. Starting to tick me off, Max. I'm going to plant them down about an inch. Put them about, I don't know, maybe 4 inches apart, and I'm just going to go all the way down through here. And I'm really hoping that the slugs don't bite these things. Anyway, just kind of firmly pat down on top of it. So I'm just going to sit here and plant this. Alright, I went ahead and put the entire contents of this in this one little row. I had them pretty much about 3 inches apart. I think that's good. Some of them may be eaten by slugs. Deer may come through and eat a few of them. I really don't know what's going to happen out here. Max will probably dig them up and leave me a kitty treasure. But I need to get me a stick. Put this on the stick and put it right here so that I know what I planted here. Let me go find a stick real quick. Oh, excuse me. Sure, hold on. Guess that's good enough. Alright. So I got my garden beans planted in there. And of course I put it upside down, so I don't know if you noticed. But that row is going to be my green beans, my bush beans. And I've got so many more packets of beans that I'm going to have a lot more beans. So at least I got one row planted. Alright, thanks for watching. Talk to you later, bye.